What's up YouTube? Jeff back again. Today we have another very exciting Samsung video for you guys. Today we're going to be talking about another huge update Samsung pushed out. They've been going crazy with the updates lately. Today Samsung keyboard got a big update. That's actually a critical update. It really improves and overhauls the overall typing experience. We're going to get into that, the changes, and also one little hidden thing that you can find in One UI 5.0 if you have it. Before I do that, I want to remind you guys, we're coming up on Galaxy S23 Ultra launch season. I've been talking about it on the channel, and if you're looking to save some money to upgrade to the Galaxy S23 Ultra, one way you can do so is by switching your wireless to my partners over at Mint Mobile. Mint Mobile is a premium wireless service where you can actually get service for as low as $15 a month for new users. You don't have to sacrifice coverage, speed, or data. They run on the largest 5G network in the US, and they keep costs low because they sell directly online. They cut out the retail stores, salespeople, all that overhead, and you shouldn't have to pay extra for premium wireless. I've been using Mint Mobile, first on my Fold 4, and then I switched it over to my primary phone, which is my S22 Ultra right here. I've been very happy with the service here in the Phoenix area. For me, it's been great. All the suburbs of Phoenix, it's been fantastic service everywhere I go here. I don't have to worry about, standing in line at a big wireless store because you can get everything you need taken care of on Mint Mobile's website. You can get an eSIM, or they'll send you out a physical SIM kit like the one that I have right here, which is their Cleverness kit. You can find on their website all the devices that are compatible with the eSIM. Super easy to sign up. All of the plans include unlimited nationwide talk, text, plus lightning fast 5G and free mobile hotspot. They also have some crazy deals on phones. If you want to upgrade right now, like the Pixel 7, Pixel 7 Pro, for those of you who are into Google, they have some great deals where you can bundle service along with a new device if you're interested. Check out the link in the description. It's going to be my link, which is mintmobile.com/Springer. Huge shout out to my partners at Mint Mobile. I really enjoy their service. So let's talk about today's video, which is the Samsung keyboard update. And in this update, let's go into the Galaxy store here. The new version just rolled out yesterday. I'm recording this on the 3rd of November, November 2nd. It's a pretty big update, 75.84 megabytes, 5.6.00.40. And there's 3 big bugs that were fixed. But also, what they don't tell you here is that this actually drastically improves your overall experience, at least in my opinion, typing on the Samsung keyboard, and with issues like autocorrect being too aggressive and things like that. I'll talk about that in a second. So the first thing that they fixed was an issue with voice input not working in Italian. Not an issue that really applies to me because I don't speak Italian, but if any of you do speak Italian, maybe you can say whether or not you experienced that. This one is one that I did notice. Fixed an issue in which previously entered text became duplicated if several voice input attempts were made within 3 seconds. So if you're like hitting the microphone icon to do a bunch of voice inputs for text in a row, like you want to try to send a bunch of different texts, they would duplicate your previous text. I did experience that issue. That's fixed. Fixed an issue where the Korean language is not able to type when an external physical keyboard was connected, including a keyboard with a mouse. That would be like with Samsung DeX. Again, I don't speak Korean, so that's not an issue that I've ran into whatsoever. That being said, let's take a look at the actual improvement in the typing experience. Since I've installed this update, I've had a much better overall experience typing on the Samsung keyboard. A lot better in terms of autocorrect not being as aggressive or messing things up, or punctuation, things like that. Everything is faster and fluid. If you guys don't know, there's a really cool trick with the Samsung keyboard where you can hold down on this and you can control the cursor. If you hold down the space bar, that's been improved, so it actually has improved precision. You can really tell the difference. I've compared it to some of my other Samsung phones. And then another thing that actually has improved as well in One UI 5.0, if you go into the settings and scroll down to General Management, Language, and then go to the Samsung keyboard settings, scroll down here to where it says Additional Settings. We got to find it, More Typing Options. Right here it says Enhanced Accuracy. This is currently part of Samsung Labs, but I've noticed that since having this on, this is only in One UI 5.0 as far as I know, but since I've had this on, that's also kind of helped with my accuracy. This was in the beta. I don't know if it's on by default in One UI 5.0 stable. It was already on for me because I was on the beta. But if it's not on, go in there and turn this on for sure, because it does make quite a bit of a difference. So overall, very happy with the Samsung keyboard update. I've actually been using Samsung keyboard over Gboard lately, which is weird for me because I've been using Gboard for years and it's been my favorite keyboard on Samsung devices. But ever since the last couple cycles, One UI 4.1, One UI 5.0, I've really found some great features. I talked about some of the other cool stuff, which is basically you have all these different new emojis. You can change to a floating keyboard. Obviously, you can edit your keyboard theme using Keys Cafe, which you guys see I've done down here. This is using the GoodLock module Keys Cafe. And also, if you're on a foldable device, you now have a split keyboard option, which is kind of interesting because on One UI 5.0 beta, this was actually available on the S22 Ultra, but you can see now it's got that little orange dot, which means it's a new feature, but it can't be enabled now unless you're running it on a foldable, or maybe if you do landscape. I don't know, let's see. I haven't actually tried that. Doesn't look like it. Oh wait. Yeah, it doesn't look like you can do it unless you're on a foldable. I don't think you can do split keyboard unless you're on a foldable. I didn't even get the option to do it here. Oh wait, no, there it is. So you can do it in landscape. So that's kind of cool. If you're on, I don't use landscape hardly ever to type, but if you're in landscape, now you can get split keyboard on the S22 Ultra, but it's not an option if you're in portrait. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the update to the Samsung keyboard. Highly recommend giving it a try if you use some other third-party keyboard. It's integrated better with the Samsung system, and there's all that great customization with GoodLock. Huge shout out to my partners over at Mint Mobile. Again, you can use the link, which will be right down here at the bottom. It's mintmobile.com/Springer. You guys can check out not only their great wireless plans, but their deals, like I mentioned, with the Pixel 7, Pixel 7 Pro, where you can get a phone for a great price, as well as a wireless plan. Again, plans starting at $15 a month. Like, comment, subscribe if you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks a lot for watching.